So the first type of animal tissue is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, epi means upon, it's a covering on the internal organs like our stomach, intestine, colon and other internal organs. So today we will be specifically studying about epithelial tissue. But before going to that, I'd like to show a chart which gives a classification of animal tissues. Here you can see different types, 4 different types of animal tissues: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Here the order is different, but we will be going in this order. First, epithelial tissue. Also there are some pictures. How do cells in each tissue look like? This is epithelium, epithelial tissue. Cells are compactly arranged, and muscular tissue present in our body, the muscles of our body. Connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, and also present in the bones and cartilage. And nervous tissue is made up of neurons, nerve cells, also called as neurons. So specifically today we will be dealing with one type of animal tissue, that is epithelial tissue. Again, when we talk about epithelial tissue, this epithelial tissue can be classified in different ways. One way of classifying epithelial tissue is based on the arrangement of cells in the tissue. If the cells in epithelium are arranged in single layer, it's called simple epithelium. Simple epithelium. That means cells are arranged in a single layer. For example, like this. If the cells in epithelial tissue are arranged in a single layer, that epithelium is called simple epithelium. If the cells are arranged in more than one layer, it's called stratified epithelium. That means in the stratified epithelium, cells may be arranged in more than one layer. So it's called stratified epithelium. The third type of epithelial tissue is pseudo-stratified epithelium. Pseudo-stratified epithelium. Based on the arrangement of cells, epithelial tissue is of 3 types. Simple epithelium, in which the cells are arranged in a single layer, simple epithelium. Stratified epithelium, the cells are arranged in more than one layer, especially in our skin, the rough surfaces of our skin. The tissue is made up of many layers of cells, that is stratified epithelium. And pseudo-stratified epithelium, it's actually simple epithelium, but when the cells are compacted, they look like they are arranged in more rows, but when the skin is stretched, actually the cells are arranged in only one row. You can find this type of tissue in urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder is empty, the cells are compressed and it looks like the cells are arranged in more rows, but when it is stretched, the cells will be actually arranged in only one row. These are the 3 different types of epithelium based on the arrangement of cells. Epithelial tissue can also be classified in another way based on the shape of cells. Based on the shape of cells, epithelial tissue can be classified into 5 different types. Now let us see what are those 5 different types of epithelial tissue. Number 1, squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium. Number 2, cuboidal epithelium. Number 3, columnar epithelium. Number 4, ciliated epithelium. And number 5, glandular epithelium. Epithelial tissue can be classified in different ways. We have studied one way in which the arrangement of layers, based on the arrangement of layers, epithelial tissue was classified in 3 different ways: simple, stratified and pseudo-stratified. But here, based on the shape of the cells present in the epithelial tissue is classified into 5 different types. Squamous epithelium, in which the cells are compactly arranged. This is also called as pavement epithelium. The cells in squamous epithelium are arranged in such a way that it looks like arrangement of tiles, flooring tiles. They are compactly arranged. The intercellular spaces are almost negligible. They are closely arranged. So epithelial tissue, first type is squamous epithelium. This is found in most of our internal organs, like inner surface of our mouth, esophagus. All these parts are squamous epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. The cells in this epithelium are in cube shaped. Cuboidal epithelium is found in urinary tubules, like in the nephrons, oviducts. And columnar epithelium is mostly found in our GI tract. Columnar, the name suggests, the cells are in the shape of columns, pillars, and they are usually found in our GI tract from our stomach, small intestine, large intestine, the colon, gallbladder, all these parts. The cells are, the tissue is columnar epithelium. And ciliated epithelium, sometimes the cuboidal epithelium or columnar epithelium, the free surface of the cell, the surface which is inside, free surface of the cell may have special structures called cilia. So if cilia are present, maybe in cuboidal epithelium or in the columnar epithelium, such epithelial tissue is called as ciliated epithelium. It helps in the movement of material inside. They are present in our respiratory tract and also sometimes in the urinary tubules. And glandular epithelium is the last type of epithelial tissue. The name suggests they are present in the glands, internal glands in our body, like pancreas, thyroid gland, salivary glands. These glands have special function of secreting enzymes or hormones. So the tissue present in the glands in our body is called glandular epithelium. So this classification is mainly based on the shape of the cells and also the function of that particular tissue. Based on these 2 qualities, epithelial tissue is classified into squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated and glandular epithelium. Now, to have a better clarity, I'd like to show you a chart. So this chart shows the classification of epithelial tissue. One is simple stratified and striated epithelium based on the arrangement of layers of cells. Single layer, simple epithelium. More than one layer, if the cells are arranged, stratified epithelium. If the cells are actually arranged in one layer but looks like more than one layer, it is pseudo-stratified epithelium. And based on the structure of the cells in the tissue and their function, epithelial tissue is classified into 5 types, I told you as already. The squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium and glandular epithelium. Squamous epithelium is particularly found in buccal cavity, esophagus, nose, alveoli, blood vessels, pericardium, it's like around our chest, our surface of our tongue, all these areas. The type of tissue is squamous epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium, the cells are like cubes. Cells are in the shape of cubes. They are present in kidney tubules, that is nephrons, and also sometimes in thyroid glands, sweat glands. Columnar epithelium, the cells are in the shape of columns or pillars. And this type of tissue, columnar epithelial tissue, is present in our digestive tract, like stomach, small intestine, colon, that is large intestine, gallbladder, etc. All these parts, columnar epithelium is formed. Coming to ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium is the epithelium in which the cells have special structures called cilia in the free surface of the cells. This type of ciliated epithelium is found in the sperm ducts, oviducts, and trachea and bronchi. If you properly understand all these ducts, they need to create a kind of movement. So wherever movement is created, sperm ducts or oviducts, sperm has to move, oviducts, ovum has to move, and trachea and bronchi, sputum has to move. In such places, ciliated epithelium is present. It helps in the movement of the substances. And glandular epithelium is present in the glands like thyroid gland, pancreas gland. So this is about epithelial tissue. So today we studied the first type of animal tissue, that is epithelial tissue. Actually we have 4 types of animal tissues, but today we studied specifically about epithelial tissue. So I suggest you read the textbook thoroughly and be prepared. Along with this video, I will also send an assignment. Watch that video thoroughly and try to answer the assignment. Thank you.